What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Remittix is steering through pre-sale milestones. Over 18.6 million already raised, smashing its 18 million soft cap, and now gunning for that 36 million hard cap. With launch just a couple of months away, momentum is building fast and early positions are starting to look like prime seats for the main event. Let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. Let's see what's happening with this massive project. If you haven't watched my previous videos about Remittix, this project is making crypto to fiat payments as simple as sending money to a friend. And the best part is that you can pay directly into any bank in the world by just connecting your wallet. I've been following this project in my previous videos and talking about how massive it's already becoming, and their pre-sale success so far is proving it in real time. You can use crypto to send payments straight to bank accounts in over 30 currencies, all through a clean and user-friendly interface. What's cool is that there is zero FX fees and no hidden charges, so what you send is exactly what they receive. Cross-border transfers come with a flat fee. The recipient gets a regular bank transfers without even knowing it started as crypto, and the process is super fast. Crypto is received instantly and fiat is sent the same day via local payment networks. It works just like your favorite banking apps, except it's built for the blockchain. And I have to highlight that it's not just for sending. You can also accept crypto payments from customers with their Remittix Pay API, setting everything in fiat with the same security and simplicity as any traditional payment system. On top of that, the checkout feature makes it easy to build smooth crypto payment experiences for your businesses. You can do it through a merchant account on their platform, or you can do it directly via API, and you can receive funds instantly to your wallet with zero fees. When it's time to cash out, you have over 30 fiat currencies, as I said, and more than 50 crypto pairs to choose from, which is giving you full control over how you settle your payments. Remedics has already raised over 18.8 million, smashing through the 18 million soft cap, and the 36 million hard cap is now the target. As you can see, momentum is building very fast towards the 20 million milestone, and once we hit it, the first central exchange listing will be revealed, and from what I'm hearing, it is a big one. The team has been locking in the perfect launch partners to bring serious liquidity, global exposure, and instant access for every RTX holder, which is exactly what pushes a project into the spotlight and opens the door to thousands of new investors worldwide. This is a huge step towards mainstream adoption of Remittix, and the buy volume already coming in is showing how much the market is paying attention. On top of this, guys, the Remittix beta wallet is dropping September 15th, and you can still get in early to be a part of the testing phase. Telegram has been lighting up with buy bot alerts as demand keeps climbing, and with the CertiK audit already completed, confidence in this project is now stronger than ever. As I said, the 20 million target is in sight, and when it's crossed, the name of the exchange will go public. And that, my friends, is exactly when things could really start moving fast. And following the huge momentum that pushed us past the soft cap, Remittix is now adding even more fuel to the fire with a limited time 40% bonus on all token purchases. All you need is the promo code WALLET40 when you buy, and you're instantly stacking more RTX. The 10% referral bonus is still live as well, so you can earn even more by bringing in new investors into the ecosystem. And with tokens still sitting at 0.0922, this is a prime chance for both new and returning buyers to load up before the next price adjustment, and while the 20 million milestone is within reach. As I said, guys, Remittix has already passed a full CertiK audit, which is a huge green flag for any serious investor. As you know, CertiK is the gold gold standard in blockchain security, and getting their stamp of approval shows that the team is taking safety seriously. On top of that, the platform uses advanced encryption and top-tier security protocols to make sure that every transaction and piece of personal data is locked down against any unauthorized access. That is exactly what you want to see in a project handling global payments. Now guys, what I also have to highlight is that they're adding even more excitement with a massive 250,000 RTX giveaway to celebrate the launch. 10 winners will grab each $25,000 in RTX, and getting in is very simple. As you can see, all you need is a minimum $50 buy-in during the pre-sale to qualify. Submit your ERC20 wallet address, complete all the quests to boost your odds, and refer friends for 50 plus bonus entries each. This means that the more friends you bring in, the better your chances are. The bottom line here is that Remedics is smashing pre-sale milestones with unstoppable momentum, backed by a massive and highly active community on X and Telegram. The project's marketing presence is literally everywhere right now, dominating crypto media and keeping the hype at peak levels. With numbers climbing fast and global awareness growing by the day, this launch is shaping up to be huge and you do not want to miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.